Erich Maria Remarque best quotes. It's only terrible to have nothing to wait for. Life did not intend to make us perfect. Whoever is perfect belongs in a museum. Life did not intend to make us perfect. Whoever is perfect belongs in a museum. We are forlorn like children, and experienced like old men. We are crude and sorrowful and superficial, I believe we are lost. We were all at once terribly alone, and alone we must see it through. Keep things at arm's length. If you let anything come too near, you want to hold on to it, and there is nothing a man can hold on to. Life is a disease, brother, and death begins already at birth. Every breath, every heartbeat, is a moment of dying, a little shove toward the end. We have so much to say, and we shall never say it. You may turn into an archangel, fool, or a criminal, no one will see it. But when a button is missing, everyone sees that. If a man is not married by 30, it means he gets to keep everything he has earned. I wandered through the streets thinking of all the things I might have said and might have done had I been other than I was. That is the remarkable thing about drinking. It brings people together so quickly, but between night and morning, it sets an interval again of years. Why does a man live? In order to think about it. To forget is the secret of eternal youth. One grows old only through memory. There's much too little forgetting. Sometimes I used to think that one day I should wake up, and all that had been would be over, forgotten, sunk, drowned. Nothing was sure, not even memory. Modesty and conscientiousness receive their reward only in novels. In life, they are exploited and then shoved aside. Bombardment, barrage, curtain fire, mines, gas, tanks, machine guns, hand grenades, words, but they hold the horror of the world. Never do anything complicated when something simple will serve as well. It's one of the most important secrets of living. It was a melancholy secret that reality can arouse desires, but never satisfy them. With blinded eyes I stared at the sky, this gray, endless sky of a crazy God, who had made life and death for his amusement. I want to think, and at the same time, that's the last thing in the world I want to do. Thank for watching.